Good afternoon, everybody. It's NCP. Been slacking a lot as far as the gardening goes, as you could see. But I'm gonna try to cut some limbs back today, and just drop some limb and go ahead and get planting. Everything's a lot of the stuff's over there in pots, so we're good on that. But I got to cut some of the stuff back because I'm losing sun about 2 o'clock because of this tree, and it'll probably get worse. So before I plant this bed, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Like I said, still got to cut off the black landscaping fabric and plant grass up to there, and take this one stump here and grind it down flat. I need just a little more rock in the end there, but overall I still need to smooth this out. The sandbags have weighted that down now, so it's all level again. Well, level-ish, I guess. The back bed is going to be compost, secondary compost. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing to do today. Is cut the limb down and probably run it through the wood chipper and compost it back there. I did get a tumbler. Hold on, let me go over there and take a look at that. Hold on. Alright, we did buy a composter for kitchen scraps. It's very small, but it'll add for plants and stuff, and compost tea as well. But the next day it filled up with bugs. And I thought this thing wasn't supposed to, but they're little gnats. See that? And for the browns, I'm using some shredded Amazon boxes with no glue or any of that stuff. But if I rotate it, just once a day. Oops. That's probably good. Oh, there we go. And you can see in there, all the bugs start coming out. I don't know what they're from, but they're probably fruit flies. But anyway, that's the compost, and there's two sides. And there's just some brown in there now, and all the bugs, see? And they're like fruit flies or gnats. I guess that's normal. I don't know, that's the next day. But I'm gonna get the garden today. I'm gonna compost it, run it through a chipper because it's gonna be browns and greens, and we'll see. Like I said, a lot of the stuff is already potted. Go over here. This is one of the tomatoes, but I didn't really do this one. I bought this one, and that's blueberries and I think raspberries. I don't know, but I got to plant these. They're just in the pots in here now, so the wind won't blow them over. And I got to bury the cable. Like, so much stuff to do. It just never ever ends. But we're getting there. I've been really busy at work. I say a lot, don't I? Oh well. I've been really busy at work. I've been doing about 60-hour weeks, 50 to 60. So it's just been that I don't want to do anything when I get home. And now it's about 85 degrees, I think, so that sucks. But I want to get that limb cut down today at least, and then we can plant the first bed. And like I said, I'll just let it sit there and wood chip it or whatever, and then I'll mow the lawn because it's just hasn't been mowed in however long. And I don't know. I have to think about that because I guess I can't use that in my compost pile because it's gone to seed right there, and that's when this is a problem. So my understanding is don't use that, but I just usually don't pick it up anyway. I just let it mulch back into itself. But I do have the rake, so I could do that, but I don't know what's been treated with chemicals, and I don't want to put like Roundup in my compost pile. I hear that it breaks down after a season, but I don't know. And a tree I'm going to cut, or the part of that branch, I got to be careful. There's a big poison ivy vine on it, and I don't want to get that in my compost pile. My understanding is it doesn't break down, the oils. One other thing I want to notice, let me go inside, hold on. Okay, one of the things I tell people to do is to start with hybrids. And my theory is, I don't know anything about gardening. And my family's dependent on this, everything we would starve. Now this is probably a hybrid now that I say that. I don't know, I can't read that from here. But it's broccoli, I think. And we had all these worms on there. We couldn't see them there on the underside. So I ordered some 7 dust. But for right now, we just got a 50% mix of baking soda and I think household flower. And these were, hold on. Hey, what kind of worms were on this plant, man? Cabbage. What? Cabbage. Yeah, I know cabbage, but I mean, what was the worms? That was the worm. Oh, okay, thank you. Stay there, puppy. Okay, so I guess they're cabbage worms. So, yeah. So I don't see any on them now, but they're really tiny. And we have to wait until my 7 dust gets here next week. So, but this just goes into what you don't know. You can't just start off and say, I'm going to just do it, because it doesn't work that way. Same thing as ham radio. I could give you a ham radio that did everything, and you couldn't talk to anybody because you knew nothing of the antenna setup. So we're learning now. But like I said, this will get us by now, supposedly, because there's none on there. But, you know, I don't know. And this is what, broccoli? Yeah, broccoli. No! A little bit to the cabbage, cauliflower over there. So, anyway, that's what's up here for now. I'm gonna get to work, cut the thing down. I would film it, but that's how all viral YouTube videos start, with some idiot up on a ladder with a pole saw in a tree, not knowing what he's doing. and I'm not gonna go viral that way. Nothing good comes from that. Maybe a GoPro and get up there, right? Yeah, no. I'm just gonna limit. I'm not gonna cut it down. But I'm just gonna limit over the garden there. Just want to open up the sun for a couple more hours in the day on the first bed. Like I said, the other ones are just gonna end up being compost, because we got most of the stuff is in there in the front room right now. All the plants I showed the other day, and they're potted in these cloth bags, which I'll show in another video, 'cause those are all full and I don't want to dig out the new one. Oh wait, here's one. Here's one. They're cloth. So, they're kind of neat. And this is, I don't know what this is. I don't know what that plant is. Oh well, anyway. That's what's up, everybody. So since Peel, I'll talk to you guys later. I know I've been slacking on videos, and I humbly apologize for that. I've just been trying to balance YouTube and my real world life. Family kind of gets upset if you don't feed them, so there's that. Alright, have a good one, everybody, and see you out.